Everyone, welcome back to WebMedis. I hope all of you are doing great. And in today's video, we are going to install Python on our PC, and we are also going to install Visual Studio Code, which we will use throughout the course. So, in order to install Python, you just need to go to python.org, and here hover to download and click on the Python 3.14.2. This is the current version of Python, and it can vary on the time in which you are downloading it. So here I have downloaded it. Now we are going to, so remember to tick all these two options, use admin privileges when installing python.exe and add python.exe to path variable. So install now. While it is installing, let me download the Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link and here you can download. So here Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Now we are going to install it. Okay. Just click I accept the agreement and next, next, next. Remember to add this option, add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. Then next and install. Okay. Here a VS Code has been installed. So just finish the setup and see if okay. Our Python has been installed. So I would suggest you that to disable this path length limit. Okay. The setup has been completed successfully. So let's check if Python is installed on a PC or not. So go to CMD and type Python. You can see that Python has been installed, and you can see that Python version 3.14.2 is installed on our PC. Okay. So this was for today, and we will start coding from next video.